Okay. All right, what's up with my people, man? It's your boy, Neil, over here with Free Coins Trading. I'm making this video today to show everyone how to get on TradeLocker, not only TradeLocker, how to trade on TradeLocker. Me and a couple of people I mess with, we decided to make this group a free group to give back to everybody. Since I started trading, I've been meeting other individuals that trade. I've been learning a lot from others. I also paid and went to places to learn how to trade, conventions, meetups, all type of things. Had mentors. I do not do funding challenges. I'm thinking about actually doing a funding challenge this year. But for right now, I've been constantly asked to show people how do I trade, or just the basics of trading, or what just trading is in general. So anybody that want to learn, anybody that do learn, y'all like being in groups, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, join our group, to join our Discord, and the private chat is free. All you got to do is subscribe and then send us an email, or just click the link, go log in. But yeah, so as y'all can see, I'm actually on TradeLocker right now. This is the demo account. You can see it up here. Starting Monday, I'm giving y'all the insight right now that we are going to start with $50 or $100, depending on which one I deposit first. So I'm thinking if I want to start with 50 or 100. So it's going to be one of those, but we're going to use that throughout the year to build this trading account. Hopefully we don't blow this account, but if we do, all we're going to do is just add another one in. And I'm using this small amount just because I know it's more people out here in the world that are able to put this amount in a couple thousand. I wasn't able to start with a couple thousand. I started with $10 and 1 cent trade, you know what I'm saying? Like really trying to make something. It took me a minute to build my profile up. So we're going to do this together. It's the beginning of the year, so we still got 11 more months to go. We kind of getting into the middle of January right now. So as you can see, we on TradeLocker. So to get on TradeLocker, as y'all can tell, let me see. If we let's zoom out of this and go here. So let's just say I wanted to go on TradeLocker. See, I type in TradeLocker right now. What's gonna come up is this. It has no way for you to log in. So a lot of people can't get on here. A lot of brokers that actually got kicked off of MT4. A couple brokers then got back on as far as like Ventura. I want to try them out. But the broker I use right now is FOREX. So let me switch over. Like I said, you can't get on TradeLocker, without having a broker for it. So I don't know if everybody's hit to KOT, but KOT Forex is a broker that allows you to get on TradeLocker and trade on the TradingView charts and be able to make your trades, make your money. I believe I've been using them for so long. So I actually like KOT Forex. So me attempting to actually try a new broker this year, probably it ain't gonna backfire, but I'm gonna be new to that broker. So I'm accustomed to KOT Forex. I've been using this for the last 3 years since I started trading. So what you want to do is you want to come over to KOT Forex and you want to make you an account. Once you make you an account, you will come over to my accounts. I'm gonna show you. Once you make an account, you come over to my accounts. Okay, it's going to ask you to set up an account. What type of account? So you got the live account and you got a demo account. Once you make the account, it's going to send the information that you need to log on to KOT, not KOT, onto TradeLocker to your email. So I like that because it's a little bit more secure. So like I said, once you make your account, they're going to send this information over to your email. You're going to log on to TradeLocker from there, and then you will be looking at this screen here. Okay. So as you can tell, like I said, I like TradeLocker. One, they give you TradingView charts. Everybody we go on TradingView, look up the charts, mark it up, go on MT4 and make our trades. I actually like doing it on here. So once again, we are on a demo account because I will be making trades right now. It's 8:22 p.m. So the market is closed. So this is not to gain any type of money. This is not trying to show y'all how I trade or anything like that. I am going to be making back testing videos. So look for it for those. Like I said, turn on them notifications and subscribe so y'all can most definitely know what's going on and when we drop. All this is gonna be free. I'm not charging anybody for anything. The only thing I'm asking is for y'all to like and subscribe. I'm not saying that we're gonna win every day. We do lose in the market, but we are profitable traders. So I'm gonna lose and I'm gonna win, right? So we're gonna be managing how much we lose when we do lose, and we're gonna always stay into profit. All right, that's the whole concept of trading. As y'all can see, I'm on gold right now, 4 hours candlesticks. So each one of these candlesticks is a 4-hour time span. Once again, each one of these candlesticks is a 4-hour time span. I'm on a 4-hour chart. So each one of these candles on a 4-hour time span. So if I went to a 30-minute, let's just say hypothetically, right? I'm sorry, moving a little slow right now. Now we on a 30-minute chart. So each one of these candlesticks, red or green, will be a 30-minute time span. So, okay, so now we on TradeLocker. I'm gonna show y'all what I like about TradeLocker, what I don't like about TradeLocker. It really ain't that many things. You know, after you set up your account with KOT, you make you a demo or a live account, you deposit your funds, they're gonna send you over your information to your email, which is gonna be a login server and a password. It's gonna tell you exactly what the login and the link to get there. So everything will be sent to you in your email. I know a lot of people don't follow everything. So to get on TradeLocker so we can trade. I don't trade on Hookoo Trades. I don't trade on other brokers. My broker is KOT. The link for it is going to be in the description below. Make an account with KOT. They're going to send you your login information. So you don't have to make an account with TradingView. KOT is going to do that for you. And they're going to send it to your email with a link to log in. Okay. So we on TradingView. All right. So after you got all that done and you're on TradingView, obviously you want to be able to move around on TradingView. I'm pretty sure people have already watched videos on YouTube as far as like how to use TradingView ever since a lot of the brokers have been kicked off the meta. But I'm just going to go through a brief, update of how, TradingView is used. Okay, not TradingView, TradeLocker is used. So as you can tell, we on the TradingView chart. So that's one thing I do like about TradeLocker. One thing I don't like is that I don't have access to a lot of the indicators that I will use, like hot zones, being able to break up the time span of the chart to know what time is London, when does the Asian market start, and things like that. So we don't have indicators as far as that, but they do give you a large, wide range of indicators. So, and I'm not really an indicator user, so I'm not really going to be using anything. The only one I may use is a zigzag. I like how the zigzag go. I do use my EMA, so like a 200 or something like that, but not very often. Using a 200 just allows you to know if you're going to buy or sell, depending on if the market is above or below that 200 line EMA. But like I'm saying, like they don't give you all the indicators that you would actually have on TradingView, on TradeLocker. So that kind of throws me off a little bit. So, but it's okay. It's probably under a different name. I never seen this one before. This chop zone. Let's just go through it. This ain't what I'm using. You feel me? That's not what I'm using. Okay, so down here it'll show you your positions of your trade. It'll show you pendings, sizes, trade size, history, of the trade that you have made. It'll show you your balance, your profit, equity, margin use, margin availability, margin level, and credit. Okay, so you have your stop loss, take profit, margin, exposure created at EET, your fee swaps, profit and loss in action. So you will know if it's a sell or a buy in this position. This will show you where your stop loss is. This will show you where your take profit is, all in numbers. It's not going to show you that on the chart. It is to show you where is it located on the chart as far as the numbers. So if I was to send, if people was in a group chat, that I know some people are when they don't get it in, some people are going to be in multiple group chats. But, when people send out signals, they'll send out, decibel numbers. They'll send out one of these numbers here to let you know what to put in for these numbers. So you would know when to place your trade, where to stop your trade, and where to take your profit. Okay. So I do like that. One thing I also like about it, So if I was to make a trade, like if you look over here in the bottom right corner, and it wouldn't let me, it will not let you overdo your account. So that's a good thing. It won't let you over leverage. But it also tell you the probability of how much you are looking to make too as well. So I do like that. Whether you buy or sell, it's on the lot size, it'll show you a probable guess of like how much you will probably make, you know, because we're gonna take some out, probably stop the trade before or after. So it can go more or less than this number, but at the same time, let's just say on this right here, I just did like a one. So that's $406, right? Or that I can possibly make, right? So yeah, what if I stopped at that 230? What if I stopped at that 690? You never know. A lot of times where the market gonna go, but when it does go in your favor, you always don't know how many, you know, take profits is actually gonna hit, because the market moves ups and down. It's always recalibrating and fixing itself. Okay, so that's over here. You have your lot size. You can put that in manually if you wanted to before you trade. As you can tell, we have our sales. So it won't even let me make a one lot size. I like that it won't let me over market like that. Okay, so let's just say I'm here. The market closed, so it's probably not gonna let me. Probably not gonna let me do anything for real. Let's see if I usually, okay, so it usually I have one up there to allow me to buy or sell. Okay, so it was just won't let me do more than 50. Okay, so I get it. It won't let me do more than 50 cents on there on this trade right here on gold. Okay, so it won't let me over margin from there. Okay, but as you can tell, we do have a buy and a sell button, or a call and a put. You know, green obviously to go up, red is to go down. A call, a put, puts would be putting it to go down, calling it to come up. Whichever way y'all understand the market, you know, a bull, a bear, however you look at it, buy, sell. I like buying, sell, buying, selling, buying, selling. Okay, so over here you have multiple different tools. So we have trend line tools. This is probably the main ones I use right here, which is not tools. They are Gannon Fibonacci tools. Geometric shapes. So you will see these a lot when you will see somebody use like one of these or something like that to make a square or a rectangle to show like a position in the market or something like that, right? A lot of people don't use text. I'm probably not going to use text because I don't like writing on my chart. I like leaving my charts basic. This right here is where you'll go to find like if you're gonna go long or short. So I know people don't know what these are. So going long is the same as buying, and going short is the same as selling. So if I had to make a trade, right, and I said I was gonna go long in this trade, obviously it's gonna put my sell position lower for my stop loss, but my take profit is gonna be on top, and vice versa. If I was to go short, then obviously my position for my stop loss will be at the top, and for my take profit to be at the bottom. All right, so don't think I'm marking my chart up. I'm just literally going through the difference between dang, I'll be sitting there losing my train of thought, going long and going short, going long, going short, right? So going short, it just means that your stop loss will be at the top, your take profit will be heading towards the bottom, so red to be on top, green at the bottom. Same thing with going long, your stop loss will be at the bottom, but your green will be on top because you're going long, the long ways up, okay? Now, I don't know if I'm gonna probably be somebody that everybody, you know, is able to connect with or understand the way I trade and how I trade, but whoever it does help, I appreciate you. Like I said, I'm doing all this for free. Me and my team, we ain't looking for nothing in return. Any questions, y'all can jump in the Discord and y'all can ask us. Anything you want to know, we are willing to give up. Okay, let me take this off as well. Now, if you wanted to be able to, Lord Jesus, if you want to be able to change your market, right? So say like you like, all right, I don't want to be inside gold, right? I want to trade something else. One thing I do like about Tradelocker is it gives you the options to choose exactly what you're looking for, right? You can go all, you can go core crosses, you can go FOREX exotics, FOREX majors, energies, and therefore on, right? All down to even index minis or mini indexes. So, you know, like I said, the lot size, they want you to over leverage your account. But what if you like trading on US 30, right? US 30 is the index, right? So if say I'm on US 30, right? it may not let me trade as much as I want to trade. So look, right now, right, me having a demo account of $100, I'm unable to make a trade what it looks like so far on US 30, right? So we're in US 30 minutes, but I can't make even a 1 cent lot size. So obviously I can't trade on US 30 right here, right? So I can go to mini, right? And then I can go over to US 30. Now it's gonna be the same chart. It's not gonna change anything, but now I'm able to actually trade on US 30, right? So it's still not gonna let me over leverage myself, but by me being able to trade on US 30 on a mini or a trade locker offering minis, I'm able to trade on NODs 100, US 30, the XP 500 during the same time span as everybody else and still make my money until I'm able to switch over and go on, you know, the actual US 30. They also got it broke up between crypto. So I know crypto been taking off heavy lately. So if you think about it, all the Bitcoin, the Dash coin, Dogecoin, and then, you know, also they got metals. So if you want, like I said, I was just on gold. So you got gold, silver, copper. They got everything. They even got oils. I want to say that's energies, if I'm right. Got US oils, gas, UK oils. But then also they got FOREX majors. FOREX majors will take you all the way until like the US JPY, the GPB USD, you know, people that like trading currency pairs. That's all on there. So you can change through that. They also have it where you can put a star next to whichever ones you actually like, which will help you come if you wanted to go to like favorites or something like that, you will be able to lock in with those. All you have to do is just press the star and it'll show you your favorites. Okay, so how do you, let me just make a trade, right? I'm just gonna go to sell. It don't even matter, right? So how would I know about my stop and loss, right? So if I wanted to edit this, right? So I can edit my position. You see, I don't have a stop loss or a take profit on here right now. But let's just say I press edit position. Look what comes up on this side and your mid right side, where the stop and loss take profit is right here. All you would need to know, you'll click it, you'll take a button, make your position of what you're trying to do. So mind you, like I said, I did just do a sell. So obviously, if I was doing a sell, then I'm going short, right? So if I'm going short, that means I'm looking for the market to come down here, right? But how would I know where I want my stop loss or my take profit? What I would do is I would go to the position where I feel like, all right, I'm making this line right here where it's not, it shouldn't surpass, right? So I'm gonna look at this and I'm gonna take this number right here. So let's say 37803, right? 37803. Okay. Take profit, we're gonna bring it down here. We're gonna say 373593, 373593. My bad, 37. Okay. Now, locked in. It should be locked in. Make sure I did it right. Make sure I did it right, y'all. Make sure you got it together. I'll tell you that much. But I got this one at around 37. Wow. This one in wrong. Hold on, let's clear in right. I'm a little bit rushing, so I want to make sure I do this right for y'all. 3, 4, 7. Okay. Okay, so now y'all can see. I'm sorry it took me a little bit of a moment. Where the stop loss and the take profit will be at. So I don't know if y'all ever heard somebody say, you know, put it in and forget it. Put it in and forget it. Okay. By putting it in and forgetting, basically just saying that, like, I know for a fact that this is where our stop loss at. This is where my take profit at. If it hit this line, I'm cool with it stopping. If it hit this spot right here, I'm cool with it stopping, right? So whether if it take your profit or you do a stop loss, it hit your stop loss, whichever one, it doesn't really matter. So that's how you would do that, right? My bad, I did make it into full screen what I was showing. Now how can you stop your trades? Now you literally just come over here to this X right here, close your position. All right. You're gonna see I'm down. What's that? 16 cents. Not too much worried about that. Like I said, this is mainly just to show y'all how to use Tradelocker, how to set up and trade on Tradelocker. So with that being said, as you can tell, we had our position. Now our balancing changed. So you our equity, margin, and everything, right? We got our sell, we got our buy. We see how we can change through our markets. And here go our chart. Now we can pull this down right here to make it bigger. And go back test, whichever one you want. If you come here, like I said, we can make it larger. And now we trade here. I just want to say thank y'all. I'm new to this, so please forgive me. I might sound sketchy. I might sound choppy. I'm hoping that everybody can understand me. I'm trying to make it as simplistic as possible. Like I said, this is all free, so I'm giving back. I love trading by myself, so I'm using this as a journal, but hopefully other people can go from it. Yes, I'm going live every morning, Monday through Friday, whether I take a trade or not. And I'm going to conversate with you guys. I'm also going to do testing on all the markets. FOREX majors that I use, give y'all the best time frames to trade in these markets. And I'm only doing that because not every market should be traded in every time span. So some markets should be traded in Asian market, some markets should be traded in London, and some should be traded in New York. And I'm a New York time trader. Sometimes I trade London, but I'm more accustomed to trading New York time. So Monday, coming this Monday, we already got a pre-live set up. So please subscribe, turn on the notifications so y'all can wake up with us in the morning. Y'all can trade with us in the morning and we can make us some money together.